Hey YouTube, my name's Bjorn Barrett. This is my new to me 82 CJ7 that I picked up actually this week, and it's been a fun little rig. I actually drove it home. Well, I drove it halfway home, stopped at a friend's house, and well, it wouldn't start again. After a little bit of research, and we had to come back the next day and to find out it was vapor locked because the way they have the fuel lines ran and everything else. So once the engine was cold, the thing started up beautifully. What I did today, I decided I needed to know what this tub looked like, and this tub is not pretty. It had a carpet in it, so I actually tore the carpet out. Meant moving the seats and everything else. So that's day one. I'm going to actually pull the tub, pull the front clip off, see what I can salvage and what I can't. It's got a nice 8-cylinder Jeep AMC in there. The frame is not too bad. I've seen better. Saw a better one today, actually on a parts Jeep, but it wasn't worth the money. So we'll see how this goes. So this is kind of a week one of it. Have a good day. So I'm on the next leg of my adventure for this Jeep, and what I picked up is a fiberglass tub. So picked this thing up. I think I got an okay deal. I mean, it's a used tub. Doesn't have any mounting holes yet, so that's going to be an adventure. I got them to throw in 2 fenders. I don't know if I really need them, but the way Jeeps eat fenders, I figured it doesn't hurt to have. So I get to learn how to get this tub on the other Jeep, which has a completely rotted floor and not much to actually weld to. So certainly some cleanup work to do, but I think this will clean up really nicely. Certainly a much better, it's a much better tub for Vermont. Hey, have a good day.